Hey people, what's up? Welcome to my mixing course for Zeno Records. My name is Simon Neumann, I'm from Germany and I'm an electronic music producer and a mastering engineer. And in this course I'm gonna show you how you mix a track in the genre of Zenonesque music to a highly professional level. I will teach you all the concepts, all the knowledge, all the techniques, all the tricks you need to know to get a really professional sound. But before we start with the course, let me first introduce myself a little bit. My name is Simon Neumann, I'm from Germany and I'm an electronic music producer. I have two projects, Simon, a chill-out project, and Simon, a progressive Psytrance project. I'm also an educated audio engineer and a jazz drummer. And since 1 year I'm working here in my mastering studio as a mixing and a mastering engineer, and I'm working on other people's music almost every day and I mix and master them. And since I have learned so much from both worlds, from the creative world as being a music producer and from the more analytic world as being a mixing and mastering engineer, I tried to extract the essential knowledge to get a great mix from both worlds. Everything I learned from these two skills I try to bring into this course so that you can profit from it the most. And I'm really excited to get started. First, before we start with the teaching, I'm gonna show you a little bit my studio, what equipment I have here, what gear I use for my mastering process. And after that, we're gonna start the course. So let's dive into the next video where I show you my studio.